Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Android look like an iPhone, alright? Maybe some of you want this to happen and don't know how to do so. Just go ahead and go to your Play Store, alright? And look for an app called Launcher OS. You're going to want to search on that. Launcher OS. Alright, once done, just hit on enter and download the first one right here at the top. Alright, it will look like this. This one, install, and wait for the process to finish. Alright, as you can see here, the process is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on open to open up the app. Alright, and as you can see here, this action may contain ads, or this app may take ads, so it's not a problem because it only has a little ads. It doesn't bother me at all. Alright, after the ad is going to pop up, you're going to want to select your preferred language, alright, and hit on continue. Wait for it to load. Once done, you're going to want to tap on next, and get started. Alright, now once you're in here, you're going to want to select your wallpaper, or you can skip if you want to, but for me, I'm going to want to select this one. As you can see here, there is a paid version. You're going to want to tap on this one right here, continue with free version, with, of course, ads, but it's alright. Close this one and wait for it to initialize. As you can see here, it is now setting up. I'm just going to go ahead and wait for a bit until it finishes setting up. I'm going to go ahead and tap on this. We're going to want to set this one for as default for now. Alright, Launcher OS, allow, swipe up. There's an AI right here. Alright, just gonna go ahead and close this one. So I'll continue with the free version. Alright, as you can see here, it looks like similar to an iOS. Alright, and that's basically it. I hope this video helps some, please. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.